You guys, I'm gonna show you how to draw hair conditioner. So you draw a bottle like this. It's round. And you draw it like this. And it's like you draw this, the top lid. It's like this. And this is usually like a purple bottle. Here you go. You draw this. You put like the hair like this. And you draw the hair color. I draw brown because I like brown hair. It's nice. So then you draw the purple. And you draw this. And there you go. That's how you draw the hair conditioner bottle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn notifications to your channel. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all of your support and have a very nice day. And thank you for the lovely comments. Made me very happy and very appreciated.